Hi, buddies! What's up? Today we're gonna do a Yeti monster series. We're gonna start today. I'm gonna do 3, maybe even 4 this week. So like and subscribe right now so you could watch the full tutorial and the shorts all week long. If you're ready to get started, you know what to do. Grab a marker and something to draw on, and let's get started! So first, we're gonna do a line, ready? Across the middle. That's gonna be the top of their mouth. It's okay, buddy. All right, buddies, now we're gonna come down and around. Ready, buddies? Curve down and curve down. All right, buddies, now we're gonna take this up and over. Ready? Up and over. And same thing on this side. Up and over for like a frowny mouth. All right. Now we're going to do a tongue. Ready, buddies? It's like a wiggly tongue. Boom. All right, buddies. Perfect. Next step, a little eye. And a little eye. It's looking so good. Next step, buddies, we're gonna do our round teeth that we always do. We always do big round teeth. 1, 2. It's coming together, buddies. All right, now we're gonna do a furry Yeti. So it's really simple. Go up to about the middle, and we're gonna start his little fur part. So we're gonna do a V. Can you do that, Breddies? Good job. All right, this one, let's take it out and back down. And then same thing here, out and back down. And now we have our center line for our Yeti. All right, Breddies, now this is basically just gonna be a full half circle, but we're gonna add fur. So let's go big fur and back. This one's gonna go down a little. Big fur and back. And then down to there. Perfect. Same thing on this side, buddies. Big fur and back. Ready? Big fur and back. Now let's take it down. Big fur and back. And then straight down, buddies. Remember, I like the sound effects. All right, buddies, let's do a belly to prepare for the feet. So we're just gonna do a curved line, buddies. Whee! Just like that. Perfect. All right, buddies, now all we need to do is simple feet. So take this line out and bring it all the way in. And then connect. And then, Brady, same thing, out. And then all the way in. And then connect. Oh, it's looking so good, Breddies. All right. Now, we're going to work. We're almost done. This is going to be super fun and simple, Breddies. We're just going to add some horns coming out over here. So let's go about middle of this fur line. And let's just do a simple curved horn like this. Whoop. And then bring it back down, buddies. Wow. So easy. All right, buddies, same thing on the other side. Middle of this fur, curve line up, and bring it back down. Nice, Breddies. All right, let's add some details and we will be done. Do a little saggy mouth, a little saggy mouth. Now, I like the fur vibe, so let's do some triangles, Breddies. That gives it that fur vibe. So triangle, 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 triangle. This is so fun and simple. You can add your triangles wherever you want. I think that's good. All right, buddies, let's add some silly toes. So the toes will be on the outside. So let's go down, boom. And then another one, boom. And then same thing over here, buddies. Down, boom. One more, boom. What kind of animal does that look like, buddies? The feet. Does that look like elephant feet? I think it does. All right, buddies, we are done. Super fun and simple monster. And now we're gonna color together. I'm gonna color with you. I think that'll be fun for you guys. Let's go through our coloring steps, all right? Perfect, so we wanna put our black marker away and let's think of a color to do. I wanna do a white and blue Yeti. I wanna do an orange Yeti and maybe like a pink one. So for this one, let's do orange. All right, buddies. So remember, we want to test out our colors. I like doing 2 shades, a darker and a lighter. And so grab a little piece of test paper and make sure you like those colors. I do like that one. Sometimes the color will be too dark and you want to be careful. Ooh, that one's very close. So I'm going to grab a lighter orange. See, and I wouldn't have known that if I didn't test it out. Perfect. Now I got a dark one and a light one. All right, so let's pick your 2 colors and let's do our shading, our darker color first. So grab your darker color and then let's give it a nice little dark shade vibe to show like a 3D look to it, okay? So this is super fun. We're basically gonna go on the top. I'll color this one in for reference. See that? We're gonna give a little top darkness like that. And it really brings your coloring to life. So we're gonna do that for all of these. We're gonna prep them first. So do that, breadies. If I'm going too fast, double click and it'll rewind. Perfect. And now we're gonna go down and to the belly line. Down and to the belly line. Perfect, buddies. All right, and we can even do every hair. Let's do the points of every fur. Sorry, I called it hair. Boom, boom, boom. To me, breadies, this just makes it more fun and the color pop a little better by adding these cool little shading parts. So now I'm gonna flip this over and get the darker side to color in what we just did. Bring our Yeti to life. For those top ones, I might want to use my skinny side because there wasn't much to color there. So that's a good tip for you guys. When it's smaller, use the skinnier side. All right, buddies. I know yours is gonna look awesome. If you haven't jumped into shading before and this is your first time, have fun. It's so relaxing to color and learning how to shade and bring your drawings to life with a little accent color like this is so fun to learn. You'll learn this when you get older, but this is basically pretending like there's a light and then learning all the angles of how that light hits your monster or an object. And then it makes some parts of your monster darker and some parts lighter. But we're pre-K and kindergarten age, so we're just having fun and learning. Coloring. And if you're adult, same thing. It's still just fun. Relaxing to color. With these markers, if you're using the alcoholic-based markers, you don't really want to go over the other markers because it will bleed and kind of give you some darker shades you didn't really want. If you got Posca paint markers, then it's okay. It'll totally cover it up. If you have crayons, good to go. We do a lot of our coloring at home with crayons, Breadies. This is just, we want it to look good when we're teaching you guys at home. So we use the Beyondyo. I don't know how to say it. Beyondyo, you can get it on Amazon. It's super affordable compared to a lot of the art supplies out there, and they work really good. We've been using them for years. Still don't know how to use those Posca markers. I'm still trying to learn. A lot of effort. So I want to start doing Posca videos with you guys because I know those are super fun to draw with, but takes a little more experience. My children are not Posca marker aged yet. They're just basically getting these ones down. But Jane is. She'll be ready. All right, ready? So we're just doing our lighter color. And you could have chose any color. If you did like a light blue and a dark blue, same thing. You get your shading ready to go, your darker color first, and then the lighter one. Fill it in. And look how it just brings the photo to life. Looks so good. You're drawing, not photo, sorry. Almost done, Breadies. I kind of messed up right there, but it's all right. It's gonna look good either way. I have no idea what to do these horns, Breadies. What do you think? Comment what color you would do your horns and watch the video till the end to see if that's what color I did them. Light blue with orange. Always looks good. Orange and light blue. All right, Breadies. Our orange is done. And then I'm just gonna kind of make it blend together right here. Bring our lines together. It's a nice little trick you can learn with these markers. Oh, missed a spot. All right. Looks so good. Let's do the inside of our monster's mouth. Black. There's some tight lines, so I'm going to use my skinny tip on this side. It's not that big, so we can finish with this one. Done. And let's do, should we do like a light pink for the tongue? I usually like doing light pinks. Yeah, that looks good. Notice, Breadies, when you're coloring with these markers, get most of it done with the thick part, this thick side, and then when you get close to the other colors, break out your small side. So you can get right up there without bleeding over. Looks good. Now, the horns. I wanted to do light blue, so I'm gonna stick to it and do them light blue. What do you think, Brady? Let's do it. Nice. I just love the way that blue and orange pops. All right, Breddies, we are done. A super fun, super easy Yeti. What do you think? I hope you tried it at home and had so much fun. All right, this is our first one. We're gonna do some more. So check back tomorrow and we'll do another one for you tomorrow. Go like and subscribe and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, Breddies.